Good day everyone, my name is Dunji Zimingkula. My topic for today is all about partial derivative. Partial derivative of a function of several variables. It is derivative with respect to one of those variables, with the others held constant as opposed to the total derivative in which all variables are allowed to vary. Partial derivatives are used in vectors, calculus, and differential geometry. So, what is partial derivatives? Partial derivative is a derivative where we hold some variables constant. For a function with multiple variables, we can find the derivative of one variable holding other variables constant. We use f prime of x to mean the partial derivative with respect to x, but another very common notation is to use funny backwards of d, or is called del or d, or curly d. So del f and del x, a two variable function of f of x and y, equals x derivative 2 plus y derivative 3. To find its partial derivative, with respect to x, we treat y as a constant image. Y is number like 5 or something. F of prime x equals 2x plus 0 equals 2x. So here the explanation. The derivative of x prime 2 equals 2x. So we can treat y as a constant, and so y derivative 3 also constant. Imagine y equals 5, then y derivative 3 minus 5 derivative 3 equals 1 to 23, which is constant. The derivative of the constant is 0. So similarly, to find is partial derivative with respect to y, we treat x as a constant. Imagine x is a number like 5 or something. So y prime, if prime y equals 0 plus 3y derivative 2 equals 3y derivative 2. So we can treat x as a constant. So y derivative 2 also constant. Imagine x equals 5, then x derivative 2 equals 5 derivative 2, or the answer is 25, which is constant. The derivative of constant is 0. So the derivative of y 3 with respect to y is 3y derivative 2. So we can find partial derivative using this formula. So the formula of partial derivative with respect to x is del f over del x equals f of x plus h and y minus f of x and y over h. So this is the formula of respect to x, and the partial derivative formula with respect to y is del of x over y over del of y equals f of y plus h and x minus f of x and y over h. So this is the formula of the derivative of y. So this is the definition and explanation about partial derivative, and that's all. Thank you.